In today's video, I will walk you through how to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. To begin, move to the Contacts section inside Salesforce. Once you select Contacts, wait a few moments for the page to finish loading and display the available contact records connected to your account. After the Contacts page appears on the screen, continue by reviewing the contact list shown inside Salesforce. Locate the contacts that you want to add to a campaign. Continue by selecting the contact records that will be included in the campaign process. Once the contacts have been selected, move to the available options shown near the selected records. Continue by locating the Add to Campaigns option displayed on the screen. Select Add to Campaigns to continue to the Campaign Selection section. After selecting Add to Campaigns, Salesforce will display the available campaigns connected to your account. Continue by reviewing the campaign list shown on the screen and locate the campaign you want to use for the selected contacts. When you find the correct campaign, continue by selecting that campaign from the available options. Confirm that the correct campaign appears before moving to the next step. After selecting the campaign, continue reviewing the information displayed on the page. Make sure the selected contacts and campaign appear correctly inside the Setup section before submitting the request. Once everything looks correct, move to the Submit option shown on the screen and select Submit. Salesforce will then begin processing the request and add the selected contacts to the chosen campaign. Wait a few moments while Salesforce updates the campaign information and processes the selected contacts. During this process, the page may refresh or reload depending on the number of contacts being added to the campaign. After the update finishes, continue reviewing the page to confirm that the selected contacts were successfully added to the campaign inside Salesforce. The campaign information will remain connected to the selected contact records after the process is completed. The process includes opening contacts, selecting the contact records you want to use, choosing Add to Campaigns, selecting the campaign, reviewing the setup information, and submitting the request inside Salesforce. If any section takes a few moments to load during the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing to the next step. Once the contacts have been added successfully and the update is completed, the process for adding contacts to a campaign in Salesforce will be finished. Thank you for watching.